it's a gem. Gorgeous blues, incredible blue flash all through. This will cut quite an amazing stone, or a pair of dark stones. You can see it's dark on the two ends. Dark. But it will cut an amazing bright stone. Gorgeous blues, and like I said, the sand will come out. Maybe take a little TLC, but it will come out.